See children, this is your school playground. Such a lavish playground you have in your school. Hopefully children, we will soon meet and I will be seeing you all playing in such a beautiful ground. So good morning my dear students. Welcome to the virtual class of English. Beta, this is playground. Playground is a compound word. It is made with two different words. Play यानी खेलना, ground means ज़मीन. So playground is a compound word made with two different words. And this is what we are going to study today in our English virtual class, lesson number 8 of your grammar, compound words. Yes, beta. In compound words, we are going to learn what are compound words, identification of compound words. क्या हम compound words को कैसे identify कर सकते हैं, and making compound words. And we will also learn to make some new compound words. बेटा, this is water bottle. देखिए बेटा, water अलग noun है, bottle अलग noun है, but together they make water bottle. Water bottle is a compound word. Beta, you all know this. What is this? This is a bag and we carry it in our hand. So hand plus bag becomes hand bag. Beta, see what is this? This is a board and color is green. Green plus board becomes green board. Children, you know this flower? This is sunflower. It is also a compound word. Sun plus flower makes sunflower. Beta, ice is a noun, cream is noun, but together they make ice cream. So ice cream is a compound word. Table is a noun, spoon is noun, but together they make table spoon. Beta, head is a different noun, phone is completely different noun, but together they make, when joined together, they become headphone. See children, this is flower pot. देखिए बेटा, pot है और flower है. Flower is different noun and pot is different noun. Together they make flower pot. Yes children, just now you have seen so many examples of compound words. So what we have learned? We have learned when two or more words join together. जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा words को हम join करते हैं to make a new word, कुछ नया word बनाने के लिए, then that word is called compound word. उस word को हम क्या कहते हैं? Compound word. For example, hair. Beta, hair is different and brush. Brush is a different thing. तो ये noun अलग है, ये noun अलग है. But when we join together, it becomes a new word, that is hair brush. Now children, see the first word, swimming pool. Beta, you all know that swimming pool is a place where people swim. But if we separate this word, swimming plus pool, swimming क्या होती है? एक verb है, यानी तैरना, और pool क्या है? एक place जहाँ पानी होता है. And together they make swimming pool. Now look for the second one, bus stop. Bus stop is a place where buses stop. And if we break the word, bus is a vehicle and stop means rukna. So together they make bus stop. Now look for the third word, living room. Living room is a place where all the family members sit together. Living means रहना, room means एक कमरा. So beta, together they make living room. Now look for the fourth word, greenhouse. Beta, greenhouse is a place for plants, to where people nurture the plants. So beta, green is a color, house means घर. अब दोनों words मिलकर बिल्कुल अलग बन रहा है ग्रीन हाउस. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ग्रास हॉपर. बेटा यू ऑल नो ग्रास हॉपर. ग्रास हॉपर इज एन इंसेक्ट. बेटा लेकिन अगर हम इस वर्ड को ब्रेक करते हैं, ग्रास प्लस हॉपर. ग्रास आपको पता है, ग्रास इज अ स्मॉल प्लांट, एंड हॉपर, हॉपर मीन्स कि जो हॉपिंग यानी जंप करके चलता है. तो टुगेदर दे मेक ग्रास हॉपर. द लास्ट वर्ड इज लाइफ स्पैन. बेटा लाइफ स्पैन क्या होती है? जिंदगी, पूरी जिंदगी, पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. तो लाइफ यानी जिंदगी, स्पैन मीन्स पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. तो टुगेदर दे मेक लाइफ span. So these are all compound words. Let us revise the chapter through this animation.
Hello little ones. Verbs are done. Adverbs are done. Conjunctions are done. Then what are we left with? Yes, compound words. So let us start. Let us consider some sentences. Our milkman has a big mustache. We made a dustbin out of waste materials in our school. Rajat's bedroom is always a mess. The tourists are enjoying the morning sunshine. The words highlighted in the sentences given here are called compound words. Two nouns join together to make a compound noun. Now, let us move on to some more examples. Milk plus man equals to milkman. Sun plus shine equals to sunshine. Dust plus bin equals to dustbin. And bed plus room equals to bedroom. So, it's your turn to use all the things you learned today and complete the exercises. Best of luck!
Let's see, children, how much you have understood. Here's worksheet number 1. Monty the monkey is also learning about compound words with you. Help him color the bubbles with compound words and pop the bubbles with a cross if they don't have compound words. जो बेटा compound words हैं उनको आपने कलर करना है, and those who are not उनको आपने क्रॉस लगाना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल rainbow. See children, rain is different and bow is a different noun, but together they make rainbow. Similarly, butter. Butter is a different noun. Butter, you eat butter. And fly is other noun. But together they make a beautiful insect, that is butterfly. Just now children, we have done rainbow and butterfly. Look for the other one. The other one is cupboard. बेटा अगर हम इसको ब्रेक करते हैं वर्ड को, कप प्लस बोर्ड यानी एक ये कॉम्पाउंड वर्ड है. नाउ लुक फॉर द नेक्स्ट, टीचर. बेटा क्या हम टीचर वर्ड को ब्रेक कर सकते हैं? नो. सो टीचर इज नॉट अ कॉम्पाउंड वर्ड. नाउ कप. कप को हम ब्रेक कर सकते हैं? नो, वी कैन नॉट ब्रेक द वर्ड कप. तो कप इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ कॉम्पाउंड वर्ड. So beta, you will try the rest. Now beta, in the next question, you are to match column A with column B. Look for the words given in column A. Skate, foot, camp, scare, bed, grass, pop. Beta scare का मतलब क्या होता है? डरना. And look for the words given in column B. Hopper, fire, corn, board, crow, ball, time. तो बेटा आपको मैच करना है and you are to frame new words like skate, board, foot, ball, camp, fire. एक बहुत टेस्टी चीज़ के बारे में है हमें, जो हमें नहीं पता था कि वो कॉम्पाउंड वर्ड है. दैट इज पॉप कॉर्न. तो बेटा यू विल मैच लाइक दिस. In worksheet number 2, use the compound words made in the previous exercise to fill in the blanks. बेटा अभी जो हमने मैच में जो वर्ड्स बनाए हैं वो हमें यहाँ पर फिल करने हैं. लाइक फर्स्ट वन इज मदर मेड डैश फॉर अस. बेटा वो जो वर्ड्स हैं उनमें क्या आंसर आएगा? मदर मेड पॉपकॉर्न फॉर अस. वी सैंग सॉन्ग्स अराउंड द कैंप फायर. बेटा जब आप कैंप फायर करते हैं तो उसके चारों तरफ आप डांस करके यू सिंग सॉन्ग्स. सो दिस इज द सेम सेंटेंस. वी सैंग सॉन्ग्स अराउंड द कैंप फायर. सो वर्ड्स आर देयर बेटा. यू हैव ऑलरेडी मेड. नाउ यूज करेक्ट compound words in these sentences. Now in question number 2, add a word to each of the given words and turn them into compound words. One has been done for you. बेटा आपके लिए क्या करना है, यहाँ पर कुछ वर्ड्स नाउन्स गिवन हैं और उसमें आपको दूसरा वर्ड ऐड करके कुछ नया वर्ड बनाना है. लाइक बेटा न्यूज़, उसमें हमने क्या वर्ड ऐड किया? पेपर, and it became newspaper. Second one is tooth. बेटा टूथ में तो हम बहुत सारे वर्ड्स ऐड कर सकते हैं. लाइक टूथ प्लस पेस्ट, टूथपेस्ट. टूथ प्लस ब्रश, टूथब्रश. टूथ प्लस एक, टूथेक. तो आप कोई भी वर्ड इसमें यूज़ कर सकते हैं डिपेंडिंग दैट अ न्यू वर्ड इज मेड which has a meaning. ना बास्केट बॉल ऐड कर सकते हैं, बास्केटबॉल हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो ऐसे आप यू कैन ट्राई द रेस्ट वन. चिल्ड्रेन, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न some new vocabulary words starting with letter L. The first one is ladder. Ladder. Ladder यानी सीढ़ी. And the other one is larder. Larder. Larder is a place where food is stored. जहाँ पर खाना रखा जाता है, एक ऐसा रूम. Least. The third word is Least. Least. Least यानी सबसे कम. The fourth word is liar. Liar. Liar यानी झूठा. The fifth word is luminous. Luminous. Luminous means the thing that shines in the dark. यानी रात में जो चीज़ चमकती है उसको हम कहते हैं luminous. Better you will write all these words in your English notebook. Better your homework is that you will do worksheet 1 and 2 of lesson 8 in your grammar book.